This episode of Roofing University is brought to you by Primeline Tools.
Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun.
Hi guys, it's Tawnya here from Roofing University, and today we are going to be prepping a roof for a diamond install. So first things first, we're anchored in, all ready to go. And then we start off by scraping the roof with my best damn ripper. So let's get started.
Wow.
Tip, when you're taking off the old underlayment, either tar or the felt paper, take it off exactly how it went on. So you literally just roll it up. And there we go.
Now we've removed all the shingles. We're gonna make sure that there's no nails in the substrate, and then we're gonna wrap this whole thing right now. Let's go, Tawnya.
Let's go do it. Prepping the roof. So the first step after we've made sure that all of the nails are out and we've got a clean flat substrate, we're going to start with the ice and water, and we're going to roll it out. Hang your roof. Typically we use Rhino Roof for our asphalt shingles, but not for the metals. We use FT Platinum for our underlayment on the metal roofs, and it's because it can take the heat a little bit better. Your metal shingles typically heat up a lot more under the sun versus the asphalt shingles. So right now we're going to roll out the synthetic underlayment over top of the ice and water that we already put down. And to ensure that it's straight, we're going to just follow along the plywood line. That way we make sure it's straight all the way along. So we have the Stinger CN100. It's a calf nailer, and it comes in this double system here. Comes with your nails, and these are the caps. And then it's a two-part system. So you put your green caps that are fed in through this, and then your nails go into a different compartment here. And what happens is the green tops are fed through the bottom, and then your nails go in just kind of like a regular nailer gun. It's meant to install your underlayment, and it's actually a lot stronger than just using your regular nail gun to get everything down. And it's typically what we use when we do our diamond roofs, which is what we're prepping for today. So what I like to do is nail along the truss line. And that's how we prep a roof, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Big time!